In today's video, how to fix blurry photos, stories, or reels on Instagram. So first, launch the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on three lines at the top right corner, tap on data usage towards the bottom. Ensure use mobile data is turned off. This setting reduces photo or video quality when using mobile data. And make sure upload at highest quality is toggled on. Please ensure that your uploads are at the highest resolution. You can also open any web browser on device and type in speed test in the search bar and hit enter. Tap on run speed test. Ensure your download speed is faster than 5 Mbps. If it's slow, this might be causing blurry images, as Instagram may not be able to load higher resolution version. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open Control Center. Tap on Wi-Fi, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh connection.